it's Christy. I'm back again with another Project Life Process video. This one is for May 4th to the 10th for 2020. I'm really jumping around here. I know most people do it chronologically, but I like to just be inspired by the colors and the products and that sort of thing. So just quickly showed you some products that I hope to use on this layout. I'm using a mix of Ali Edwards Stories by the Month kit. I believe the cards you can see on this page are from the February's kit. I'm also using some Dear Lizzy She's Magic pattern paper. I'm going to primarily base my embellishments off of this chipboard sheet, and this one is from the May Stories by the Month kit. You can see there in the bottom right hand corner that I'm also pulling in this May Joy's chipboard. That is from the Story by the Month kit from 2019, but I just liked the pop of red that it added to the layout. So all my colors are inspired by this 3x4 3x4 card. I love you and I love your story. I just liked how it paired with the photos for this week, so I kind of based my layout off of that. And I just really like cards that bring in lots of different colors. So we have red, pink, yellow, and blue in there, and a little bit of orange too. So I brought in the orange on the title card in the top left. So in addition to the stickers, chipboard, and puffy stickers that I showed you in the beginning, I thought that it just needed something more. So I decided to bring in the Maggie Home sticker book. This is the new sticker book. It's available on scrapbook.com, but I've also seen it recently on Peachy Cheap. So keep an eye out for it there as well. I don't often order from Peachy Cheap, but without fail, I have bought it already, and then within days, it shows up on Peachy Cheap for so much cheaper. But anyways, you just never know what their daily special is going to be. So in the sticker book, I found these cute houses because I was feeling like this title card was a little bland. I initially thought, oh, I just would stick a label on there, but I'm like, I just did that. I feel like I just did that. So I chose these houses, and the colors matched pretty well because they included the blue and the pink and the yellow with pops of black as well. So I just lined up those 4 houses, thought about adding that label up at the top to add my puffy alphas. These are from Twine and Ink, and I received them from Studio Calico, I think in a grab bag or mystery kit or something. So I was going to place the alphas onto the label, but they were just too big, so I decided just to line them up at the top there. I am going to outline the card with a little bit of a doodly border. Not loving the way the alphas are sitting on there, but it works for me. I guess it's done, and that's all that matters. I wish I had a bit of a longer label that could span more of the card, but I looked in my label box, and I just didn't have anything long enough, so that's what you get. So I pulled out some chipboard. This one says Time with You. The other one says Lucky to Have You, or Oh So Good, or something. I can't read it. And then the May Joys. And so I'm just spreading those throughout the cards and photos, and now I'm just kind of looking for more. I have this 4x6 card at the bottom. This originally came in the February kit, so it was intended, I'm sure, for something romantic and Valentine-y, but I just liked the colors. Again, bringing in the pink, the red, and the yellow. So it was just, I have trouble with these types of journaling cards because I like to write in straight lines, and I just don't know how to write on cards like these. Like, it's just really tricky to me. So I tried to fill it up with a little bit more. So I added these floral stickers, which brings in the blue as well. And now I'm looking through the puffy stickers. So I have the hearts, which I don't know where those came from, actually. I can't think of it off the top of my head. And then I have this crepe paper puffy sticker sheet. I think that's from the All Heart collection. So I don't end up using the hearts, but I do end up using some florals and sunglasses and some other miscellaneous pieces from the All Heart puffy sticker sheet. Pulling out a black label from the sticker book and just adding it. When I add embellishments, I like when they're staggered, so I could have just put that label at the bottom of the photo. There allowed some space for that. It worked there, but because I already had a embellishment cluster at the bottom on the photo next to it, I just kind of decided to put the label up a little bit. I don't like when things are like side by side and kind of look the same, so I like it to be kind of staggered. All right, so the left hand side came together pretty quickly. The right hand side is going to come together even more quickly now that I have my kind of formula. I picked out this hexagon embellishment and I kind of really liked how it sat on top of Nora there. It kind of fit with her body. She likes to do cool move photos, so this was one of her cool move photos. But I don't end up putting the hexagon there. I move it to this bottom photo. So this week, there's just a lot of photos from Mother's Day. We went to visit my parents. We hung out on Mother's Day at home, just had a super lazy day. And then just photos from around the house, some school stuff, playing in the yard, Adeline climbing on the counter and just being more independent. And then the photo there of Nora with her hat, kindergarten, the one where we were quarantined. She was asked to make a hat for school, so I found this one on Teachers Pay Teachers, and yeah, it was awesome. So it was kind of nice schooling her at home as a teacher myself. I kind of knew of resources to use and things to make it a bit easier on both of us. So I'm just using some florals again on this Instax picture of my mom and my brother and I on Mother's Day. It had been like 5 months since we had seen my brother last, just with busy lives for January and February, and then quarantine starting in March. So we finally got to see each other and reunited for Mother's Day using the alphas again to write three of us. And it's just not very often where we get a picture of the three of us. So I wanted to document that. This photo card that I'm working on now is a 3x4 photo on a 4x6 card. And I just like to add it kind of on a diagonal, and I'm picking a black kind of washi strip sticker from the sticker book and writing the word ninjas. I'm not sure if this was something that happened in your community, but initially it started as wine ninjas, and so you would surprise people with bottles of wine on their doorstep. You'd ring the doorbell and run away. And then it kind of expanded into other things. So this was the first week where we kind of started participating in being ninjas and being gifted by other ninjas, and Nora and Adeline absolutely loved it. So this is a picture of Nora on our front lawn with 3 bags that we're going to go and gift to people. And so she's doing a cool ninja move, and I just really liked documenting that. The card was feeling a little bit empty, so I went through the sticker book again and chose this yellow house just to bring the stickers to this side of the spread as well and replicate the houses that we saw on the title card. And then I'm going to fill in the rest of the card with some journaling. I did add some puffy stickers throughout, just paired them with the chipboard for the most part, just to kind of create a little bit of a cluster. I liked the florals in it. I kind of toyed with the idea of adding the florals beside the houses, but the scale just wasn't good. And then I just wanted to add one more chipboard piece, so I just went through my stack of chipboards and found this gray piece that says "You are the best," and it kind of just balances out that mom card. All right, so we're back to this 4x6. I did do the journaling, but now I'm stuck on this card. As I mentioned, I'm just kind of stuck on how to write on this one. It's just, I don't even know where to start. So, lots of people I've seen don't get hung up on filling the whole card. So, I thought, okay, this is my opportunity to try that out. So, I'm going to kind of just start under that heart that has the word love in red and do a little bit of a paragraph there. And then I do end up off camera adding the puffy alphas again above just to fill in a little bit more space. So you won't be able to see that, but I write the word spoiled kind of right above my little cluster, and it just kind of fills up that space a little bit more. So I'm just looking for one more puffy sticker. I picked this one that says no bad days just because Addie and Bam Bam look so cute and happy on that picture. And that is my layout. So Mother's Day and just random house stuff and some school stuff mixed in there, and that is our week. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here, and I really do appreciate hearing from you. If you could leave me a comment, it would seriously make my day. I look forward to talking to you again next week, and we'll see you soon. Bye!